Welcome back to our channel of great decor ideas, where we bring you the best tips, tricks, and ideas for making your home look absolutely stunning during the holiday season. Today, we're diving deep into the world of indoor stair decorations for Christmas. I'm going to walk you through a plethora of creative and beautiful ideas to turn your staircase into a festive masterpiece. So, enjoy this amazing examples of decoration for Christmas. Before we dive into decorating, there are a few things you need to do to prepare for the magic. Let's start with the basics. A beautifully decorated staircase welcomes guests into your home with warmth and hospitality. It creates an inviting atmosphere that instantly puts visitors in the holiday spirit and makes them feel appreciated. Christmas decorating is a creative outlet that allows you to express your unique style and preferences. Whether you prefer a traditional, modern, or themed decor, your staircase becomes a canvas for your artistic expression. To start the decoration, decide on a theme for your Christmas decorations. This will help you create a cohesive look. Popular themes include traditional, rustic, modern, and whimsical. Stock up on essential supplies such as garlands, lights, ornaments, ribbons, and hooks. You may also want to invest in a good quality ladder and some strong adhesive clips for hanging decorations securely. Garlands are the backbone of stair decorations. They add a lush and inviting feel to your staircase. Here's what you need to know. Choose garlands made of real or faux greenery like pine, cedar, or eucalyptus. Real garlands have a natural scent, but faux ones last longer. Weave LED string lights through your garlands for a magical glow. Opt for warm white lights for a cozy feel or go bold with multicolored lights for a playful look. Add tinsel or metallic accents to your garland for extra shimmer and shine. Silver and gold are classic choices, but feel free to get creative with colors. Ornaments aren't just for the tree, they can also take your staircase to the next level. Choose a mix of ornaments in different shapes, sizes, and colors. Hang them directly on the garland or use ornament hooks or ribbon to attach them. Incorporate personalized ornaments with family names or memorable dates. DIY ornaments are a fun project for the whole family. Space out your ornaments evenly for a balanced look. Hang larger ornaments closer to the bottom of the staircase for visual weight. Ribbons and bows are versatile decorations that add elegance and charm. Choose wide, wired ribbon for making bows. Satin and velvet ribbons add a touch of luxury, while burlap and plaid offer a rustic feel. Follow a bow tying tutorial to make picture-perfect bows. Attach bows to the banister, garlands, or individual steps. Create swags by draping ribbon gracefully along the banister. Secure with discreet adhesive hooks or clear fishing line. Hang stockings along the banister or individual steps. Fill them with small gifts, candies, or love notes for each family member. Create small wreaths using wire frames and holiday greenery. Hang them at intervals along the banister. Ensure all decorations are securely fastened and won't obstruct the stairs. Double-check that lights and electronics are in good working order. Invest in timers or remote control systems to easily turn your lights on and off. This saves energy and prevents you from climbing the stairs repeatedly. Keep your decorations looking fresh by periodically fluffing garlands and checking for burnt-out bulbs. Store your decorations properly after the season to extend their lifespan. Place a small, themed Christmas tree on the landing. Decorate it with ornaments and lights that match your staircase decor. Set up a charming nutcracker collection on a table or shelves. Add small LED lights or mini wreaths for a festive touch. Arrange festive candles or lanterns on the landing. Opt for scented candles to infuse your space with delightful holiday aromas. If you're feeling crafty, consider these DIY projects to add a personal touch to your staircase decorations. Create intricate paper snowflakes to hang along the banister. Use white or metallic paper for an elegant look. Make custom wooden signs with holiday greetings or inspirational quotes. Hang them from the banister or along the landing. Embrace the beauty of nature by incorporating natural elements into your staircase decor. Gather pine cones and red or white berries from your garden or a craft store. Attach them to your garlands or create centerpieces for the landing. If you prefer real greenery, consider using fresh holly, mistletoe, or ivy. These add a delightful fragrance to your home. Place small potted Christmas trees on the steps or landing. Decorate them with tiny ornaments or miniature lights. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the holiday mood. Place candles in glass containers along the banister. Use battery-operated LED candles for safety. Line your staircase with luminaries made from paper bags and battery-powered tea lights. They create a magical, soft glow. Fill mason jars with fairy lights and hang them along the banister. Use different jar sizes for added visual interest. If you want to go beyond the traditional Christmas decor, try these unique theme ideas. Decorate with seashells, starfish, and beachy hues for a coastal holiday feel. Hang a miniature sailboat ornament on your garland. Embrace the charm of the forest with woodland creatures like owls and deer. Incorporate rustic elements like burlap and twine. Use candy canes, gingerbread men, and bright red and white decorations. Hang oversized candy canes along the banister. If you have little ones at home, make sure your decorations are safe and kid-friendly. Opt for soft or unbreakable ornaments if you have young children or pets. Felt, fabric, or plush ornaments are great choices. Hang fragile or small decorations higher up on the banister. Leave the lower sections for sturdier, kid-friendly decor. Get the kids involved in making their own decorations. Handmade ornaments or paper chains can be a fun family activity. Spread the holiday cheer throughout your home. Decorate your fireplace mantle to complement your staircase decor. Incorporate garlands, stockings, and candles. Adorn your windows with festive wreaths, string lights, or window clings. This creates a warm, inviting look from the outside. Extend your theme to your dining area with matching table settings and centerpieces. Coordinate colors and materials for a cohesive look. Don't forget to capture the magic of your beautifully decorated staircase. Gather your family for a holiday photo shoot on the staircase. Use the decorations as a stunning backdrop. Start a tradition of decorating the staircase together as a family. Each year, add a new decoration or ornament with sentimental value. I hope you enjoyed these great ideas. We've covered everything you need to know to turn your indoor staircase into a Christmas wonderland. Remember, it's all about expressing your unique style and creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for family and friends during this festive season. If you found these tips helpful, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more holiday inspiration, and be sure to share your own staircase decorations in the comments below. From our YouTube family to yours, have a joyous and beautifully decorated Christmas. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.